This is the plaintiff, Derek Brinson. He says the defendant towed his car and wonder of wonders damaged it. Now his beautiful 2010 Nissan Maxima is all scratched up. The defendant's done nothing to rectify the problem, and he has no other choice but to sue for the $397.39 he's owed. This is the defendant, Frankie Gonzalez. He says every person that gets towed claims damage because they're angry about having to pay to get their car out of the tow yard. No one gives them the benefit of the doubt. Bottom line, he caused no damage and therefore owes no money. He's accused of a maximum unsatisfaction.
All parties, please raise your right hand.
Welcome back to the People's Court. Next case in the docket, the plaintiff says the defendant wrecked his 2010 Maxima, but the defendant says his tow truck caused no damage. It's the case of Maxima displeasure.
Derek Brinson, you are suing the tow company represented here by Frankie Gonzalez. You're an employee, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
But you have authority by the owner to represent?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you've asked us not to use the name of the tow company. We'll respect that. For $397.39 in bumper damage that you say you sustained as a result of their tow.
Correct.
Tell me what happened.
On March 1st, I bought a brand new car. I had previously had a car before that, which was a Honda 2000. I got the car brand new with only 2,000 miles on March 1st.
What year is it?
It's a 2010.
Okay, you bought it when?
I bought it March 1st of 2012.
How can it be brand new? It's 2 years old.
I apologize, but it only had 2,000 miles on it, so it's considered.
All right. It's new to you. Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty much
brand new. You said brand new like 4 times. I was
sorry.
Wait, I thought it was in 2010. How can that be?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
All right. It had no damages. I switched my plates from my old car to the new car. I had realized I had tickets. I didn't think I had that many tickets on the car, but I'd had tickets.
How many did you have?
I'd had 8.
And what were the tickets for?
Well, I have it here. Pretty much there's no parking, no parking. Next to a fire hydrant, and one of them was failure to stop at a red light.
Okay, were all these tickets with your new car or with your old car? I know they follow your plate, but
they followed my plate.
Right. So you had these tickets for how long? How many years?
Not years, no. It's in the interim of from September 9th to 2000.
September 9th of what year?
Of 2011 to February 2nd of 2012.
Okay, so why are you letting them pile up?
Honestly, like I said, I only received 2 in the mail. I thought I had only 2 tickets, honestly.
What are you talking about? The tickets on your windshield when you go to the car.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. But you have a short attention span. Are those your parents?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right? And what? And you have is this how he would...
Well, I mean,
how old are you?
I'm 24.
Okay, so is this what he would do when you would catch him at something when he was growing up? Wait. Like, you know exactly what I'm asking. Okay, so you ignore all the tickets, and how does that work out for you? Not good.
Not good at all.
Right, because what happens?
Your target's towed away.
Yeah. Now, you guys actually have a contract with the city where you just go around. It sounds so awful, but I guess, you got to eat too. Yeah. You go, and the city wants to collect their money. I got to pay my tickets. He's got to pay his tickets. So you actually go around running license plates to see. It's like mining for gold, right? Panning for gold.
Exactly.
So you just go and you just randomly just run people's plates until you find somebody who, jackpot.
That's right.
This guy has more than what in tickets?
Actually, the car got to be towed if he owes $350 and
Or
one
more.
penny.
350 and a penny or more.
Or more.
In tickets.
In tickets.
All right. So you find him and he owes how much?
The judgment was $633.13.
Okay. So you tell him.
That's correct.
You come to your car. Now, the car is towed where? The car is towed from where?
From my job. I went to work. When my shift is over, I actually got to leave early, to tell you the truth.
Ooh, you're all happy. You got a bounce in your step. Then you walk up to your car, and your first thought, of course, is that what?
I said, let me. Cause like I said, my car was brand new for me.
Right.
I come outside. I haven't had it even a week.
Oh, that new. Oh.
Yeah. On March 6th is when it got towed. I come out, left work early. I see my car's not there.
And what did you
I'm
think?
pressing my alarm. I'm pressing my alarm.
Trying to hear it?
Yeah, trying to hear it, trying to see if the
Wait, but
lights.
don't you see that it's not there? Or you're saying maybe I forgot where I parked it?
Nah, not at all, because I park it in the same spot even as my old
So
Honda.
why are you clicking it? What are you hoping that it's nearby?
I'm hoping that maybe it'll pop up behind me. Maybe somehow. Maybe
The
somehow.
eternal optimist. I'm hoping the city of New York forgets I owe $600 in ticket. I'm hoping the car magically is going to touch me in the back and say, "Psst, just kidding." Okay, go on. Go on.
So the gentleman looks like him that I actually spoke to.
Did you actually tow it?
No, my driver
Okay, so
told
go
it.
ahead.
I figured out where to go, called them up. They told me I had to pay the Department of Motor Vehicles. I go to the Department of Motor Vehicles. They told me I had to go pay it off at them and get the whole judgment that they already had. So I paid the judgment plus the toll.
There was already a judgment? Oh man, you
Yeah, there was a
ignored this
judgment.
for a while.
There was a judgment.
So you paid it through them. Is that how it works? You guys accept the money?
Right. They do everything at the impound yard. They
Okay.
pay for everything.
At Impound Yard, I'm sorry, is that your facility?
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So you pay the judgment.
I paid the judgment. As soon as I see my car, I see the scratches on the front left bumper.
Where are the scratches? You have pictures?
Yes, I do. If you need to see a cell phone for more visual, you can.
Yeah, let me do that because it's usually crisper on the cell phone.
Now, in the interim of the same day my car got towed, I had gotten a photo inspection of the car. I tried to contact my insurance company. They said the only thing I would be able to give is this.
Why had you had the insurance company do an inspection of your car? Oh my goodness.
A photo inspection.
Why?
It was the same day I have to get a
But-
photo.
okay.
Oh, because I just got in the car, so you have to get a photo inspection of
So
the car.
coincidentally, that had happened that day?
Same day.
Oh, well, that's bad for you. Let's see if that's true.
If somebody wants to just get a bunch of parking tickets because they don't want to park legally, but they pay, is that a bad thing?
I think it's a bad thing because if you're parking in a red zone, what if a fire truck has to come by and you're blocking the way? You need.
What if you just park at expired meters, you don't put the money in, and just the way you want to live? Is that okay? Say yes. We're out of time.
Yeah.
Good answer. Going inside the courtroom.
You know what he's saying, right? Yeah. He's purchasing insurance. The guy from the insurance comes to make sure what's wrong with the car, make sure there's no pre-existing anything.
Right.
And it says,
Check for all damages, if there's any damages.
yeah, nada. Do you have the phone?
Coming. You gotta turn it on.
Okay, while mom is working on that, let me hear from you.
All right, we did tow the vehicle. He was parked by the cement blocks where he parks all the time.
When cement blocks, are we talking about the curb
At the end,
things?
right.
Right, or in every shopping center?
Right.
Okay.
We towed the car from the back. The reason why is he was parked against the area.
Right, front end.
We opened the vehicle, we put it in neutral. All right, I got video of how we don't have video when we towed this
Right.
car. But we have video of a similar car on how we do it, front and back, showing that the tow truck does not touch any of the areas as he's getting
Right.
towed.
I don't think he's saying that your tow truck hookup ripped the back of his bumper. I think he's saying that the guy who towed his car wasn't careful to push the car, because that takes extra effort, away from that block so that when you lift the back of it, you don't rip the bumper,
No, we did-
which is what apparently happened.
No, we did that. We pushed the car.
So how'd this happen when I have the insurance report saying that there was nothing wrong with the car earlier that day?
Well, I don't know how the insurance, I don't know how that works. I don't know if they check the whole body of the
Well,
car,
that's their
the
whole point of
engine, or
I don't know,
everything.
yeah, anybody could not do their job right, including your driver.
Right.
But that's the whole point of them being out there is
Okay.
to check pre-existing damage so that he doesn't call next week and say, "Hey, I'm making an insurance claim."
Okay.
The gentleman, the day when we was asking him to resolve the situation, they had informed
All
us.
across the bumper. It's not one little chunk.
It's-
It's all across the
you see
bumper.
that?
It's
Now-
so clearly that
Yes.
concrete thing.
Now, they had told me that they had a video when they towed my car. They told me that they had an actual video that it would take 3 weeks to process.
Do you have videos of when you towed his car?
They're supposed to have a video. We did the videotape the car, but for some reason there was no video on that
If
vehicle.
I'm showing him, if I stop to show him, it's bad. Look at that. Oh, that's bad.
That's definitely
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
They're supposed to have a video, but for some reason I'm not in charge in the video department. They
So
didn't
you're
have
not
a
the guy who towed, and you didn't bring me the guy who did the tow. Why? Because you're local.
I
Oh, he's
wasn't
going to crumble
available.
under cross-examination? Okay. You're supposed to have a video of the tow. It's magically disappeared. There's damage to the entire front bumper, which I know wasn't there earlier that morning. When do I rule against you and put you out of your misery?
Whatever you feel like.
Okay, now, I like you, so it's going to be now. $397.39 plus your court costs.
Appreciate it.
All right, take care.
Take care.
So do you appreciate that? She likes you, so she ruled quickly, kind of got it over with fast for you. Appreciate that?
Well, you know, you give me a chance to show my videos on how I tow a vehicle and stuff like that.
But if the video of that tow, that particular one,
I agree with you,
had helped your case, do you think it would have maybe magically appeared here?
Absolutely.
Oh, okay, fine.
Right.
So does this happen all the time? You're the bad guy.
Yeah, for everybody, I'm the bad guy. We're all the bad guy for everybody. But, you know, things happens, and when it happens, it'll fall. We take care of it.
All right. Right down this way.
All right.
All right. So he's, I don't know, it's almost an admission there. What's your feeling coming out here?
I'm happy I won.
Yeah.
That's it. I'm pretty much happy that I won and got the justice I deserved.
Mm-hmm. What are you doing driving around with all those tickets? That's kind of like exposure.
You learn. It's a life lesson learned, you know?
Yeah. What'd you learn?
Never to drive around with a ticket again.
All right, folks. Harvey.
Okay, Kurt, if you get towed, before you take your car out of the tow lot, inspect it thoroughly, because once you leave, you will never get any money.